Samsung One UI is designed to make Galaxy devices more powerful, flexible, and user-friendly. Below is a clear, professional breakdown of the top 5 features in One UI as described, with added detail and real-world usefulness. Samsung One UI feature 1. Hide apps without uninstalling. This feature allows users to keep apps installed while removing them from the home screen and app drawer for privacy or organization. It is useful if you want to hide sensitive apps like banking, social media, or work tools without deleting them. To use it, long press an empty area on the home screen, open Settings, and select Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. After selecting apps, they move to a hidden section. This helps maintain a clean interface and improves privacy without affecting app functionality. Samsung One UI feature 2. Edge lighting notifications. Edge lighting enhances notification visibility by illuminating the screen edges with animated effects. It is especially useful in silent mode or when the phone is face down. To enable it, go to Notifications, then open Notification Pop-up Style and set it to Brief, then select Edge Lighting Style. Effects like fireworks or glitter make alerts more visually engaging. This feature improves user awareness without needing to turn on the full screen. Samsung One UI feature 3. Automatic spam call blocking. Samsung includes built-in spam protection to reduce unwanted calls. This uses caller identification databases to detect and block suspicious numbers. Inside the phone app settings, enable caller ID and spam protection and optionally activate block spam and scam calls. This is highly useful for avoiding telemarketing, fraud attempts, and unknown international spam calls, improving both security and productivity. Samsung One UI feature 4. Object Eraser Tool. AI photo editing. The Object Eraser uses AI to remove unwanted objects or people from photos while maintaining background consistency. It is part of Samsung's Galaxy AI or advanced editing tools in newer One UI versions. In the Gallery app, open a photo, enter Edit mode and select Object Eraser. You can circle unwanted objects and the system intelligently reconstructs the background. This is widely used for content creation, social media editing, and professional-looking photography. Samsung One UI feature 5. Circle to Search, Smart Visual Search. This feature allows users to instantly search anything on their screen without switching apps. It works using Google integration and AI-based recognition. Enable it from the Settings menu, go to Display, then scroll down and open Navigation bar to enable the Circle to Search feature. Then press and hold the Home button or gesture handle, circle any object on the screen, and view instant search results. It is extremely helpful for shopping, learning, and identifying unknown items quickly. These One UI features make Samsung phones smarter and easier to use, offering better privacy, AI editing, call protection, and quick search. Overall, they improve daily use, productivity, and user experience in a simple, efficient way.